So अब हामी वेलकम टु दिस युट्युब च्यानल. सो वाट इज गिट. आज हामीले गिटको बारेमा केही गर्न सकिन्छ. फर्स्ट अफ अल लेट्स नो वाट इज गिट. त्योभन्दा पहिला मैले गिटको हजुरलाई केही कुरा भन्नेछु. सो वाट इज गिट त्यसरी हामी जान सकिन्छ इन्टरनल एक्सप्लोररमा. सो लाइक दिस अब हामीले github.com जान्नुपर्छ पहिला सुरु. अब गिट भनेको एउटा प्लेस हो, एउटा सेन्ट्रल लोकेसन. मैले आफ्नो एजुकेसन सेयर हान्छु. मैले खास गरी आफ्नो कोर्सलाई रिभाइज गर्नको लागि यो भिडियो बनाएको. सो github.com जान सकिन्छ हामी. र गिट भनेको एउटा सेन्ट्रल लोकेसन हो जसमा हामीले डाटाहरू स्टोर गरिन्छौँ. डाटा भनेको कोडिङहरू हामीले स्टोर गर्छौँ र हामीले गिटको प्रयोगले हामीले धेरै कुरा गर्न सकिन्छ. जस्तै कि हामीले रिपोजिटरिजहरू स्टोर गर्न सकिन्छ. स्पेलिङ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हजुरले. रिपोजिटरी भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा रिपोजिटरीमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा यो रिपोजिटरी खास गरी रिपोजिटरी अब हामीले हेर्न सकिन्छ. यो गिट भनेको चाहिँ जसले स्टोर गर्छ रिपोजिटरिजलाई स्टोर गर्ने भनेको नै गिट हो. र रिपोजिटरिज भनेको एउटा सेन्ट्रल लोकेसन हो जसमा डाटाहरू रन हुन्छ, सेभ हुन्छ. अब सेन्ट्रल लोकेसन हो जसले डाटालाई सेभ गर्छ. ओके, सो म अहिले प्रोनाउन्सिएसनमा अलि घरिघरि म अर्किन्छु किनकि अहिले मलाई अलिक कम्प्लेक्स लाग्यो. रिपोजिटरिज सरी गाइज है, अलि म झुक्किएको त्यो अलि स्पेलिङमा डिफिकल्ट लाग्यो मलाई. केही गाह्रो छैन स्पेलिङ. रिपोजिटरी हो, रिपोजिटरी. सो रिपोजिटरीमा हामीले स्टोर गर्छौँ र मैले भर्खरै एउटा रिपोजिटरी बनाएँ. सो रिपोजिटरीको बारेमा मैले हजुरलाई क्लियरली बुझाउँदा सो यो दर्पण पौडेल / बिगिनर है, बिगिनर्स भन्ने मैले एउटा बनाएँ. अझै अर्को थप्न सकिन्छ हामीले. सो यस्तो यहाँ गएर न्यू रिपोजिटरीमा जाऊ. न्यू रिपोजिटरीमा गएपछि हामीले एउटा नाम बनाउन सकिन्छ जस्तै कि टेक्निकल च्यानल. सो हाम्रो च्यानलको नाम लेखिदेऊ टेक्निकल च्यानल. एभरेबर हुन्न, पक्का हुन्न, किनकि यो सब अरू मान्छेहरूले पनि बनायो होला. अब हामीले टेक्निकलमा बार च्यानल हालेपछि मान्छ. रुक गाइस, टेक्निकल च्यानल इज एभरेबर. सो यसमा बार हटायो भने एभरेबर हुन्न. डिस्क्रिप्सन बक्समा ह्यास टेक्निकल अब के लेखिदिउँ. सब्सक्राइब एन्ड hit the bell icon and never miss the update from दर्पण पौडेल गरौँ. फ्रम टेक्निकल च्यानल गरौँ. मेरो नाम दर्पण पौडेल हो, सबले भन्न चाहन्छु. पहिला सुरु प्राइभेट गर्न सकिन्छ. प्राइभेट गरेपछि अरू मान्छेले पनि हाम्रो यो रिपोजिटरीहरू तान्न पाउँछन्. प्राइभेट गऱ्यो भने हाम्रो मात्रै राख्न सकिन्छ. यो भन्यो भने अरू मान्छेले पनि एनी वान क्यान सी दिस रिपोजिटरी. यु चुज हु क्यान कमिट. अब हामीले यो पब्लिक गऱ्यो भने सब मान्छेले गर्न सक्छौँ. अब क्रिएट रिपोजिटरी भने क्रिएट बटन थिच्छौँ अनि टेक्निकल च्यानल हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलको रिपोजिटरी आयो. अनि एउटा युआरएल आउँछ, त्यसलाई भनिन्छ एउटा लिङ्क हो. यो लिङ्कलाई हामीले सेटअप गर्नुपर्छ. सेटअप इन्डेक्स त पहिला सुरु हजुरले गिटको बारेमा बुझ्नुभन्दा पहिला सुरु जानुहोस् हजुर, सेटअप इन्डेक्स त प्रेस हान्नुहोस्. अनि यसमा एउटा एप्लिकेसन ओपन हान्छ जसको नाम हो माइक्रोसफ्ट एज इज ट्राइङ टु ओपन गिटहब डेस्कटप. सो स्विच भनेछ. मैले गिटहब डेस्कटप अलरेडी इन्स्टल गरेँ. कसरी इन्स्टल गर्ने प्रोसेस भन्छु. सो गिटहब डेस्कटप इन्स्टल. GitHub desktop installing GitHub desktop. So for we can go to this link. यो लिङ्कको नाम के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ रोक्नुहोस् है. भिजिट द GitHub desktop डाउनलोड पेज डिस्क्रिप्सन बक्समा पाइन्छ. भिजिट द ओके. सो केही पनि नरहेछ. सो डाइरेक्ट यो लिङ्कमा जानुहोस् र डाउनलोड फर विन्डोज 64 बिट. सो डेस्कटप लिङ्क के रहेछ desktop.github.com गएर इन्टर हानेपछि आउँछ डाइरेक्ट यो लिङ्क. डाइरेक्ट आइसकेछ भनेपछि यही लिङ्कको त्यसरी झ्याप्प आइहाल्यो. अनि डाउनलोड फर विन्डोज मैले यहीँदेखि गरेको. अरू पनि एपिके पाइन्छ तर यो हो अफिसियल अनि फ्री छ. डाउनलोड फर म्याक ओएस अर विन्डोज विन्डोजको लागि हो छ, म्याक ओएसको लागि यो प्रेस हान्नुहोस्। आइफोन कम्पनीको लागि म्याक ओएस म्याक अपरेटिङ सिस्टम र विन्डोजको लागि यो प्रेस हान्ने हुन्छ। सो मैले डाउनलोड हानिसकेँ, लेट्स ओपन इट। अनि हजुरले चाहिने फाइल माइक्रोसफ्ट सी प्लस प्लस भन्ने एउटा फाइल जुन हजुरलाई सब कुरामा चाहिन्छ, सब एप्लिकेसनलाई हामीले जेआइपी फाइल्सहरू भन्यो अथवा सबै जेआइपी फाइल्सहरू चाहिन्छ हामीलाई माइक्रोसफ्ट भ्युजर सी प्लस प्लस चाहिन्छ। गो टु डाउनलोड अप्सन, म देखाउँछु माइक्रोसफ्ट भ्युजर सी प्लस प्लस भन्ने कस्तो हो। डाउनलोडमा गएपछि यहाँ देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ हजुरले, डाउनलोडमा गएपछि देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ हजुरले यो एप्लिकेसनको नाम के हो। यो ओपन हुन्न, यो ओपन त हुन्न, तर यसको एउटा हेर्नुहोस्, माइक्रोसफ्ट भ्युजर सी प्लस प्लस 2015 to 19 रिडिस्ट्रिब्युटर इन्टु 64-14.25.2808 भर्जनको हो। यसमा रिपेयर गर्न केही पर्दैन, अनइन्स्टल गर्न पर्दैन, डाउनलोड गर्नुपर्छ। यदि यसको लिङ्क पनि प्रोभाइड गर्न चाहन्छु मैले। Chrome and we can find this link. So we must go to, first of all, let's go to this official Chrome, then we can find this. So first of all, let's add, we can add here, then YouTube, then what can we do, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributor. So then we can go to this second link, download Visual C++ redistributor, redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. When we press that link, then we will go to that web page, microsoft.com/en -us/downloads/detail.axps question mark ID is equals to 48145. This is just a this is a microsoft.com link. Other is just ID is 48145. So we can swap it or download it, or directly we can go to Microsoft application, which is you can find here. Also we can download APK file. So now let's go to our main topic, what is Git. So first of all, what is the full form of Git? So full form of Git, I think there is full form of Git. Let's search it, then we can find the full form of Git is Git is first of all, I don't think there is full form of Git. Then also I will try to, I think Git is a distributed version control system. We can look, but what is Git? I think there is not any type of I think graphical internet user face. So I will just look 1 second, wait for guys. What is Git according to me? Git is just a so there is not actual this Git is a short form, and there is not any so let's go to this Git full form. So Git full form means grass and instrument technology. This is not useful for us because we don't need it, but Git full form, we know the full form of Git is just now we have seen the full form of Git is grass and and full form of Git is grass and what is that? I forgot. Grass and Git grass and technology. Grass and technology. No. Grass and grass and no and what is this? Once more, let's check it. Grass in what is grass technology? Grass and instrument technology. Grass and instrument technology. G stands for grass, and I stands for instrument, and T stands for technology. GIT stands for grass and information technology. So Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in source code during software development. It is designed for coordinating among programmers, but it can be used to track changes in any set of files. It goes includes speed. So Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in a source code during software development. So we can see different types of Git. So now let's go to our application. Let's open the application. This is a GitHub desktop application. Now this is just an official page. I think let's copy this page. So let's open the file. Then when we open the GitHub desktop, then we can we should wait for some seconds. Don't worry, guys. I will teach you everything regarding Git. This is a Nepali video, Hindi video, Asian countries video, and also European videos. So we can say it is an international video. You can follow me on Telegram, t.me/technical channel word. Also follow me on Facebook. So link facebook.com/powder.92. So we are in the GitHub desktop. So now let's go to darpan.html. So we can go to darpan.html. So fixing origin. What means fixing origin? First of all, we should have knowledge about some things that I will teach you in Notepad. So let's go to Notepad, and so first of all, let's run something before running this. So let's go to here, Notepad. When we go to Notepad, let's press enter. Then Notepad occurs. So this is hello dear. Hello guys. I am stripping now, so I will stand up and write, so it will increase the speed. Okay guys, so hello guys, welcome to this video. What is Git in what is Git? Git is a place where 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 repository is stored, where repository is stored. And we can execute a large amount of data. We can execute a large amounts of data. We can execute a large amount of data using. We can execute large amounts of program. Large amounts of program using Git. So when we are running about Git, first of all, we must run about Git cron. So Git fact related things. So here's we can come Git related things. Git related things. We can go to here like this Git related things. Then we can put colon. So question number 1 we can say Git related things. Then question number 2 here. Then again 3. Again 4, again 5, again 4. So here's let's give a space, enter git cron. We must know about cron. So first of all, git cron means git cron syntax. It is a cron is a syntax. Let's give. So its syntax is git URL. So what it does is that it has to in the first part, let's go to internal browser, or we can say Microsoft Edge. We can go to Microsoft Edge, or what is your internet browser. Then look, we can copy here link by pressing this button, and when we copy the link, then we want to bring this link in our we want to access this link in our computer. Then how can we access this link? When we use application directly, so here we are directly using that application. But if we does not use that application, what to do? So for this we have to go to Notepad, not to Notepad, but git URL like this we must keep, and git URL, then link is like this. Sorry, Notepad. Then when you enter here, you must do in terminal, but this is not terminal, this is Notepad. We cannot do in Notepad, just for example. So it helps, what is the so we can run that cron helps to store data. Cron helps to store internal datas. Cron helps to store internal datas in computer. Cron helps to store internet data in computer. So cron helps to store internal data in computers. So this is a main purpose of cron. Then number 2 we can go to git add. So git add helps to add it helps to add It has to add. It has to add. It has to add the data. Mic testing. Hello. Sorry. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. So we are back to the mic. So first of all, what to do is let's turn off the audio because now what should we do is mic off. Git cron. So here we can put a whole screen. So here in Notepad we can see we are creating. By the use of, if you are in command prompt or if you are in any type of terminal, then we can do is that we can create a new brand file. So how can we create a new brand file? To create a new brand file, we can use the option touch. If you are in command prompt or if you are using a CUI, so if you are using a CUI, that means command user interface. If you are using a command user interface, then you can create a new brand file by using touch. So in Windows, PowerShell, or in Mac operating system, we can use in both system we can use command touch. By the command touch, we can create a brand new file. So we can create a brand new file in any type of editor like Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, Notepad, and Mac OS terminals. So we can create different types of data there. So now, first of all, so also we can create in Atom also. So now, what is Git? Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. So Git is developed for the version control. So we can maintain a version control of every data of every code, so that also it's a multitasking proposition. Different people can use and do one program sitting in different homes. So if in this time the person from the outside country and person from abroad and person from abroad both can work in one project, this is a one of the base function of Git. Now let's know about Git cron. First of all, Git cron means Git cron helps to add a code in repository. So git cron means what it does. Git cron does not do anything, but its work is to connect with internet. It has to connect the internet and desktop, so that desktop data will be stored in internet and internet data will also be stored in computer. So there comes a mutual interaction between them and all the data can be exchanged to each other. So for this purposes we are using Git URL. So what is this URL? Universal Resources Locator. So universal resources locator. So URL. So we can get a link from here. This is our link. So we can just I paste here. We can see, but this we cannot do in in a command in any type of editor. We must need a terminal to do this. So clone has to store internet data in computer. So next thing is git add. The main purpose of git add is to tell the git to track the file. It has to track the file. It also save a copy of repository while creating a new file, while creating while tracking so git add means tracking a file. So when we are doing interacting with computers and internet, git add helps to do what? Track the file. So if we made the changes in internet, so for example, let's do it practical. I will show you practical. So I will not give you every detail, so we will do practical in after some seconds. So but I think I cannot do now practical, so just I will show now only. So what is git add means? Git add means, for example, look, let's go to the internet browser or Samsung, oh sorry, or Microsoft Edge. Now this is our official link. So https is to / github.com. It is not slash, it is a dividing sign. Oh sorry, it is slash. Yes, it is slash github.com /technical channel.git. This is just our git that I have created now in this video. Now what can we do is look, to create a new repository on the command line. What is the command line means? CUI. So I just tell you command user interface. So we can go to command line. So CMD. Let's open the command prompt for this. Okay, now what can we do is git init. Init means what? So we are a little bit confused about this. I think let's go to command prompt, type git init. So type git cron, okay, then url is needed, and like this. Once more, let's try without giving any type of bracket. So here I give one bracket. So what is this name? I think this bracket is called as so what I this bracket is known as so this bracket is known as, I have noted in my copy, so wait for a second. So this we can say this as so it is an angle bracket. Yes, it is an angle bracket. We say it as angle bracket. So angle bracket is one of the useful bracket. First of all, it goes less than sign and it goes greater than sign. Inside the less than sign and greater than sign, we put the text or commands. So git cron, then we can put a URL. So let's try it. I think it must works. Git is not recognized as an internal or external command, so in CMD we cannot run. So in Windows PowerShell also we cannot run, but in Mac OS we can run because Mac OS is very good, I think, in this condition. So it is not running. I think what is problem occurred. So what is this? I couldn't understand. So okay, I think let's again try. So to create a new repository on the command line, that is command prompt or other terminal, Windows PowerShell, so many softwares we have. So what can we do is we echo readme.md. So git control plus C. So what is this? I think first of all is what readme.md. So what is .md control technical channel? What is this? Okay. First of all, control plus C do. Then let's go to CMD only. Okay. Start CMD. Now let's decrease its size. Like this. We can decrease the size. Now control plus B. Enter. Git init. Oh, look, Git is not recognized as internal or external command. Come on. Why it is not recognized as Git is not recognized? So what to do? How to solve this problem, man? This problem is not solving. So to solve this problem, we must do anything. So for solving this problem, let's again go to command interface. So and miss cron url. So I think we let's don't do in here because it is not recognizing anything, because this command user interface is not recognizing us. So for this condition, we can install the app. So let's go to the app only. So first of all, I have my app. Look, this is the app, GitHub desktop. So open it. So in github.com we can see like this application, new repository, add local repository, clone repository. Directly by the option, we by the default we can do it, because in this software we can directly access, but in command line we cannot directly access. But in my laptop it is not working now, so I cannot show you. So for this I can create a new video. So okay, in this application we are launching now. So look, let's add it. I think so where is our history? Okay, darpan.html. No, web programming with CSS. This is also not our files. So this is plus sign. Now what can we do is like this, press here. Then this is the okay, darpan. No, I think let's once more go to internet access browser. Then take darpan powder stress technical channel. Hello, welcome to issues. So we don't have any type of issues. Go back, we can say like this. then our input code. So gear or push an existing register from the command line. Okay, now we can do like this. uh, Git remote and add origin control plus C. So again, let's run in terminal CUI control plus B. It is never working, so I will not try now. So git push. So I cannot understand practically, but I know the meanings of if we use say git push. If you have data and if you want to, so first of all, in our notepad we write some data, and when so in git push have so I will just explain every detail. So that software is very easy to use, but I am going to explain you directly from deeply. So first of all, let's run only, then let's go to next topic. Then I will show everything from applications practically. So our topic is we have completed git clone. Git clone means giving us some relation between computer and internet, the browser or github.com. That is, we can assist, we can connect to each other data. We cannot run CUI interface now, but if I can run, then I would give a practical education. So we doesn't need a CUI interface if we want to access from the application, that is GitHub desktop. So you must download this application without, if you want to do without command user interface. So first of all, clone has to store internet data in computer. So what is clone has to do is store internet data in computer. So clone has to store internet data in computer. Git has to add the files. So I will say everything about this. So first of all, now our next topic goes git commit. So what is git commit? Git commit has to take a snapshot of repository. That means it has to store a data by taking a snapshot. It take a snapshot and take all the text that is inside the snapshot. The program of this is made like this, that if you so if we use the file, if we commit, so git commit, so we can see here. So let's go to there and let's write something. Okay, now get started by creating a new file. So let's create a new file. Okay, name, let's give darpan.html. So we are going to create HTML file. Okay, now what is this? Now we can write HTML. So let's if you are not familiar with HTML, don't worry, I will teach you HTML hypertext markup language. Then we can get head. So I will actually, if you don't know HTML, you can watch other videos in iBottom. So darpan powder, and close the title bottom, and again start the body bottom. So now I start a body. Okay. Then I will write, I will give so this is a S1. So I will say welcome to the technical channel. Like this I made one data. Then I close a body here. So HTML here. So now what I will give, little bit style also I want to give. So don't worry about this, I will teach you later. Okay, S1 no style, then so S1. Okay, and now background color I will give, background color is to red. Then I will close it. Then oh sorry, not the background color, text color is to red. Then text spelling error, so text color is to red. Then text align is to center. Let's make in center. Also we can make it right, left, what in which direction you want to it. We can make it in top, we can make it in bottom, we can make it right, we can make it off. So I want to make in center part. So align is to center. Then like this, close it. S1 has been completed. Now what, so don't worry about this. Okay, now we are going to do is body. Okay, enter body, then bracket, background color, background bar. No, sorry, not bar. It is said dash, dash. Background color we can give. Which color we can give? I think RGB. So RGB bracket. We can give anything like this. Not just don't give the same. Like this. Let's give it to the computer what it can bring. Okay, now our programming has been successfully completed. So wait for a second. Now what we will do is close the start. Then now we will run our program. So welcome to technical channel. Dortmund powder S1 text color red text align center. So these are some of the things that we must run very fastly. So let's go to the let's save it. So here we can say commit new file. So we will write add a file, add a file. We are going to commit now. We are committing it. We can write anything here. It is like comment. So nothing to say. So what we write, this is a commit. Commit means to commit means to save a repository, and repository is means this data. Repository is also a container where data are stored. This data will be stored in repository, and repository is saved by commit. Simple. Commit new file. So it is being running, committing. So look, it has been already committed. Then we can say okay. We can look Darpan powder add we are committing here. So now I will go to my application. Let's see in my application it comes or not. So it will automatically come, I think so, but it has not ever coming. So fixed origin means what? Fixed origin means hang on, it is refreshing the repository. So just now I think it is not ever now. Add okay, my repository is not showing. I think it a bit common. Add repository, current repository, beginners. So where is my repository? I think it has been lost or what? Application, go to internet browser. So okay, I think I must switch in. So for this I think default browser, go to back, just go to back. Okay, now what we will do is uh, 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 new pull request, set up action, new pull request. So I think we have to pull. So press this pull request. I think now let's again go to our application. I think Git has been already pulled. Oh sorry, this is not our application. Okay, up to now it has not been ever pulled. I think this has been set up action. Dot one public slash technical channel. So this link is here. I think I must edit it. Edit. Dismiss. Website for repository. www.darpanpowder.com, or we can see .in, .co, or .nepal, .in India. Also we can .co means .co means cocoa, or the choco, or what is cocoa. Cocoa Island, that means Indian British Ocean, or the territory comes under it. Also we can do is .co, that means Colombia. .co means Colombia. uh, Now we can create our own. So darpan powder darpan dot powder. So this is our link. Save save it. You must enter a valid URL. So this is our URL. Control plus C. So Control V, save this. So when we save this, we can get and assign our file. So now what can I do is add create a new clone repository. So Darpan powder. Okay, now I found my. So now we are going to clone. So I think we forgot to do clone. So let's go to Darpan powder / technical channel. So this is what now we are going to do is now in this we must clone it. So what is the meaning of clone? I think we forgot to do clone. Just I say you that clone means accessing with two computers and the computer and internet. So we are accessing with desktop and internet, or we are accessing from Windows software to internet, or from CUI interface to so here in this condition we are accessing with this software and URL. So let's clone it, then it will now only clone. So look, other technical channel. So in that past we have to forget to clone there, so we cannot get our file. So refreshing fixed origin. What means fixed origin? Fixed origin means git put. It is putting the data. We don't know what fixed origin means, pushing data and putting data, but I think it is now putting the data, or what? No. Yes, it is putting data. It is always putting the data. And when we write changes here, so how to write changes for this? Press view. Then from we computer we write the data and save in the git application. Now also we can access from this computer also. First for this, what can we do is go to Windows bottom. Then after going to Windows bottom, just press one. So we can press terminal. No, sorry. Once more, let's try it. We can do in 1 second. So we are now searching to so go to documents. This is the downloads. So let's go to the documents here. After going to documents, GitHub we can find here. So these are 3 GitHub files. The technical channel just now we have created, we can find in document. Inside document GitHub application we can find technical channel. When we press technical channel, then we can find the Darpan browser. So Darpan browser is an HTML file where we create different types of notepad. Darpan is a HTML file and hypertext markup language. Darpan which in where we can access the internet. So Darpan powder is an official website. So press right and so we can press right and we can press right click and open it, so that Darpan browser can be accessed. So just click it, then we can access it. So how is our website? So like this. Look, welcome to the technical channel. So I have Aaron in center part, and it is background color has got a green. So look how I have done. So it is very easy to do, guys. And so Darpan public technical channel we can do is that now we are running now. So we are in a basic. So again we are going to advanced labor. So fast we will grow up because we don't have time. So Microsoft Visual C++ just answer it. Okay, notepad. Now what I'm trying to say now, so look guys, now we can directly change it from here. So when we click technical channel, then we can now right click on it and open with notepad. We can do it. Then we can change it. So give access to change. So look guys, new. Okay, no, we must want access. Give access to change. So he's not giving a access to change, bro, the idiot. Why it is not giving us to chance? I think once more let's try. It must give because right click on it, open. Oh, now right click. By clicking here, then now right click. Now it will come open option. Then we will say open with notepad. Then when we click here, then we will find the notepad option. Now press the notepad. Then look, this is fine. Now we will change from desktop. In the past we changed now. Look, git pull the data. Now we will push the data from when we send from desktop to in you desktop to ring, then we push the data. But when we take from server from to the desktop, then it means taking the data, that means get putting. So we must put the data, but when we want to give the data, we push the data. So in this condition we want to take the data. So for taking data we do git pull. We don't do git pull because we do from software do automatically, but in the CUI interface we must do ourselves. So CUI interface is not running in my computer right now, so I cannot show in next video. I will show. So so look guys, this happens. So we must take it, we must give it, but we cannot do anything. We so these are some git push and pull things. So I will give you example. So we are going to change now here. So now I will add something like I will add something board text. So I will write board text. So I will break the line. I will I think I will write any one paragraph. So I will say welcome to the party. Welcome to the technical channel and be expert in technology. And like this, when do we do, then we can be technology master. So like this I end it. Okay, now I will do S3. So now we can do is S3. S3 star is equals to color. Color is to sorry. Color is to red. I no red. Oh no. So for this also we will use like this any command. So I will do like this, or we can use RG on it. So I will do like this and like this. So I will close it. CRL means S3 star is equals to color. So it is not working. Whoa shit. Whoa. What is the press? Maradi. Bigly go. No sorry. Color is to RGB. So this text align text align send plus to in how right down is to down. What happens? Let's check it. Then text align is to down. Text align is to down. Okay. S3 star. Also we can give it a bit border. So let's keep some border here. No, we will give border in S1. No, we will give in border in S3. Star is to, so let's give border also. Okay, border is to border color. We need border is to. So for this we must have to know some everything. So to give border, I think border. So how many pixel we want to get? Border 3 pixel. Border 3 pixel. Then what type of border we can give? Solid. I think I will give in both. In this I will get solid. In up one I will give dotted. So solid. The color will be blue. Color will be blue. So space blue. Now. Okay. Now let's do this. Now. Space don't give. No problem. We can give space also. So S3 never ends. Now what we write? This. So we are running with. We are running let's give a comment. So right, subscribe technical. Can run Git. We are running Git and HTML, also CSS. This is a video for everyone, I think so. Welcome to technical channel. And be expert in technology. Now what we will go do is, I think I am going to change. Let's put here border. I will put border border 6 pixel, dotted red. Close it. Now I think control plus S, it has been saved. So now into do, so now when we run this file, what can we see? So look, the box is not arrived yet. So welcome to technical channel based in technology. But look, our S is ping, but we cannot find our border. So what is the border problem? So let's open here again. Let's go to here. Then say what is the problem with the man. Open with notepad. Then let's check what is the problem occurs. As freestyle its color is to RGB color has been already, but text align down, text align down, text align down, down. Then border is 3 pixel. So is this problem? What is the problem for them? I cannot understand the problem here. Okay, what is the bloody problem for him? I can understand the problem. Text align down. It is not being down, I think so. No, yes, it is being down. Text align is being down. Welcome to technical channel and be expert in technology. Be expert in technology. This is a paragraph. Then text align, I think. So let's do bottom here. Then border 3 pixel risk detected. I don't want to risks remove as soon as possible. So let's remove it. View. So these are some risks that reloaded. Remove check. I think uTorrent. Remove check. You have 3 harmful malware on your computer. You must remove them immediately. Byte finds pro license is required to remove the 3 malware from your computer. Okay, deactivate license. Okay. So remove. In the I don't license into key license to activate. So 6. I think 6265. So at okay guys, done. 7 7. Yeah. Sorry, that's in by the Alex Express. So I think, yeah, I will not do. So I will delete the virus. So I know from here virus is occurring. So what I will do is delete GTA virus scam. So I don't like the virus. So I think I must delete this uTorrent. I think I will delete uTorrent first of all. So right click on it. Okay, so grand trip. So cancel downloading. No pause. Remove. Directly remove. Are you sure you want to remove the selected torrent? As so look, everything has been deleted in some seconds. So Now, no type of malware are available in my computer. So, S3 star color RGB bracket. So text align bottom border 3 pixels solid blue. Solid is to blue. Okay. Control plus S. And here also it doesn't work. Means there is still a problem. Border is 6 pixel. We everyone know. This to dotted red. Oh, here problems occur. This once more try again without Control plus S. Then dot upon sorry. Yes, our one thing become dotted rook. Welcome to technical channel dotted, but now I don't know why it is not being dotted in downward. So text array I will do in right left. So let's do in left now, and let's do is what border 3 spelling wrong I think. Border is to 3 pixel. Okay, right. Sorry, blue is not a good one. Cha cha, black. Then why I'm using this bloody fellow? Okay, okay, okay. I will use comma here. No comma. Control yes to. Okay. I could not see any type of fear. So once more, let's try. Comma. Control yes. So one comma cannot do anything, according to me. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, these two brag. Sorry, dotted. Sorry, brag, brag, brag. Okay. Now control yes. Now run. Nothing has been become. So delete here. Sorry, brag like this. Do control yes. Do run. Do. So here error occurs. That the error is that border 3 pixel solid. So left. Control yes. Okay, then now okay, add text and left border. Now it will run. So I think now it must run. Come on, please. Okay, again not running. So bloody pharaoh. Okay. Text color is red. Text color is error. Font color. And is right. Okay. Text and right. 3 pixel control S. Run. Okay, once more try. Uh, 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 Control S. Run. It is not working. Okay, again, what is error? So here's I will find this align. This align is right. Right is not going. So text align. Okay, text align is not being section. So text align. I will not put any type of text align. But I will put asterisk. Yes. Now it is very dramatically changed. Oh my god. It is dramatically changes. S3, okay. No, no, no. Where is S3, bro? Where is S3? Where is S3? S3 is not being crossed at. Yes, okay. No, 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 no. Okay, it cannot be possible. Anything is wrong here. Whole thing is wrong here. Text align is to right. And is to right. Border is equals to 3 pixel. Border is equals to 3 pixel. Now let's do it. Oh, when will be success? So it will be success. Border like this 3 pixels solid black. Control brush as what border color? I think what is border color? We need border color, border color, border color, border color, border color. Font color, border. I think this tricks doesn't works. So I think I will do directly in S3. What the bloody things happening now? Font color, right, right, border. Nothing bloody is changing here because I think here is error is occurring 100%. Is text align right? No, no, no. Text align center, center. Uh, okay. Bordered 6 pixel solid blue. Control yes. Now I could not do anything because oh sorry because I have not closed it. Now any error? Please. Is now error. Okay, I found my error. Now what? Now what? Brody is finding error on safe. No error, font color blue. Text align center. Border 6 pixel solid blue. I think sorry the red do na. Oh shit, the back control yes. Abe. Hey you bloody gangster. Why are you not so text align font color blue is not happening font color black yes ew no it is only black so purple unique color pink unique color it is so we want unique So is it unique color? I could not find it. So solid pink, solid pink, solid pink, solid pink. Uh, solid blue. Solid. So it is not working. Purple. Purple. So I'm now tired of doing this everything because nothing is working properly here. I found some error. So I will check from the theory. Start head HTML 8 title body background color. Oh, the problem has occurred in background color. I think so. Has one font color red text and center. Border 6 pixel dotted red. Close it. Open is close it. Font color purple text and center. Border 6 pixels solid pink. Solid pink. Solid pink. What is this? Solid pink. Solid pink. Solid pink. Let's remove the solid and search sauce in the Google. Go to Google and search. Hello Google. After you search hello Google, what the Google says to us? Nothing Google says because so now I will search some good borders. Good good brothers. Some good brothers borders in HTML. So now I will get some good borders. So a table border. So open that link. So we can get HTML border. So what it's saying? Table border one. What is this? I am asking about border, but this body is saying me. Oh, CSS table border. So here's again. Zoom it, zoom it, zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. Table style border is to 1 pixel solid black. Oh, sorry, I used table border, but no, I don't want table border. Just I want simple to table. So I don't want any table border. I am just doing table border. So border in HTML only. Border only, not any. So I have a so CSS 50 code sample. So border style like this I can do, I think. Border style. So let's control plus C, control C. So border style solid border with 2 pixel, 10 pixel. Oh my god, what is this? Code sample. Okay. So let's do it. I think so. X3 B border style solid. Now control S to go to Darpon powder and run. Oof, it's still not working. So here, what to do? S3. I think what I have been writing in S3. So I have written that in S3. What is S3? Oh, what is S3? Okay, S3 has been lost. There is no S3. Oh, say S3. No, bloody idiot. Control yes. Run. Oh my god, we are damn poor. So we can look here, we can run in Git. So look, these are our problems. We must focus on this small thing, brody boy. So we must does not did border style sorted. So so attack susto tingnan. So look, I have deleted it. No, 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 no. Oh, I will not delete it. Borderline, border. So I say border is two. Just I say that border is two. I just said border is two like this. Any number I give like this. So I am now confused here. 52 picture I do. I say sorry. I say brag. I say and then who I say control plus S. Look now still it will work. So it is still working, but I am damn bloody boy because here I what I forgot that I forgot to put S3 here. So now so if we double control plus B, then look what it will there comes a conflict, merging conflict. So there comes B conflict. So what he will do, the conflict occurs, so he do a first step, I think. So this is how the conflict occurs. So delete it. We don't want any type of conflict here, so like this, delete. So now S3 has been ended. We can running Git and also CSS. This is special video for everyone, I think so. I end the S3 now. Our main topic is to go next forward. So now what I should do is so I will now try. So I will remove S3 here. So okay, now what I will do is, so now let's go to here back again. Now what I will do is close the S3. Now I will do is now this body is stupid. S3 is die. Esta is to I will give a torture to this body. Horror is to red. Control plus B. Border star red. Okay. Control yes. Now I will just run this. Now, bloody rascal inline statement. So, uh, this is I think I am capable of doing inline statement. I am capable of doing multi-line statement, but I am not capable of doing inline statement. Because look, guys, just here S3 style color is to red. It is not making a color red also. So it is not understanding my anything here because there is some technical problems. So for this also let's solve it. uh, so go to here internet browser, Darpan powder, so border, so go to search button, so like this. Now what we is going to search is color in want any type of color. I want designing. I want inline statements, inline statement, adding a color, adding style, adding a border inline statement, adding a border in HTML, using inline statements. So let's write in bracket, so Google can understand easily. So adding a border, so remove the bracket. I think bracket is the problem of that Google. So no, so border in border hypertext markup language. So this is there. So look, inline statement. I want inline statement. So adding a border HTML. No, 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 no. So write inline statement because when I say inline statement, okay, border of image. Okay, inline style. So this I want. Thank you, bro. So shout out to stackoverflow.com. Shout out to shout out to shout out to stackoverflow.com. So you can visit. So this is not any promotional video. So I am not doing any type of promotion here. Just I am saying you about something. So now it is. I think this guy is using divide dib sign. So document type HTML, it is a type of document type HTML. Divide style. I think it is doing dividing style. Divide style is equals to border is to 1 pixel. Oh, we must put a border in quotation marks, then only it can work. So I will put in quotation marks in a line statement. So that was our problem. We must put a border in quotation marks. So here's come our condition. So delete everything here. So raised to s3. So here raised to s3. Style is equals to s3 style. So giving quotation marks border. I think first of all, now we need color, yeah. So okay, okay. So how to put color? Color. So no, no. Sorry. Inline color I can put easily, bro. Font. So color we can put easily. Font color. S3 style is equals to color is to red. So no, bro, it is not working here. S3 style, no style. S3 color is to red. Color is to red. So now what can we do is use style now. Style is equals to. Now what can we do is your condition. So I want to use border. So like this border. So we should not cross the quotation marks here. Don't cross quotation marks here. That was my problem. I always time cross quotation mark space. So now what I will do is give some uh, interesting thing. So first of all, let's give some color. So I also know what type of shape I want. So we can give a dotted sign, or so we can give a so we want to give a border, one sign border. So control plus B do because border is style sorted. So here everything can be get by border. Then what can we do is go to here. Everybody. So okay, now what we will do is after everything our ends here. Uh, After everything here ends, we will close it now by using quotation mark. Now let's give a less than sign, greater than sign. Sorry. So now S3 has already closed. Control plus S. Now our inline statement is gonna work. I think so. Thank God, brother guys. Our first time our inline statement has been worked. So this is a real condition, and some on the time our this helps to works, but in many condition it does not work. Now let's go to the topic. So guys, we are in out of topic, so we were in Git. So time is now being over, so we are going to run everything in this video, so it can be a rush amount of time it can take. So we are back in a Git. So run Git and GitHub without any code. It is very difficult. It is not a good thing. Run Git and GitHub without any code. Using the hello world guide, you will start a branch, write comment, and open a pull request. So we must. So I think we can get other Git, and we can use other Git. So after you run some of the course, you can use other Git. So for example, I will. I will. I am asking a Git, popular Git. So I will write web table. So I think someone publish web tables. I think so. I can purchase others. So we cannot find any code matching web tables in Dortmund published slash technical channel. So sorry, I am not finding it. So this is searching here. So read the guide. First of all, let's read the guide. I will read the guide. So hello world 10-minute read. Hello world. So let's read 10 minutes. Hello World project is a time-honored tradition in a computer programming. It is simple exercise that gets you started when running something new. Let's get started with GitHub. You will learn how to create and use a repository, start and manage a new branch, manage changes to a file and push them to the GitHub as commits, open and merge a pull request. So yes, we must need to merge. So we are going to run while merging a file. So in this every topic I have sent you here. So merging of files, merging configs, merging files. So we can write here stress files, merging the configs in the files. So sorry, here I forgot something. So git status, log, git log. So where is git log? Oh sorry, git log. I cannot found git log. So we can found git log. So git log. So git, I just now I again repeat, git is one of the container where git is one of the container where repository is stored. So it is stored or repository. So repository is stored by git, and repository is a central location where all the data are stored and all the coding are stored. So now let's move ahead to the topic. Let's jump over the topic. So this is our current repository that I have just updated. Look, just fixing origin. So we can see a fix origin. It means it is putting the data. It is putting the data from server, but we have not changed anything from server. But now when we go to server and look, so I will just show you what's possible. What is GitHub? GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and other works together no project from anywhere. The tutorial teaches you GitHub essential like repository branches, commits, and pull requests. You will create your own Hello World repository and run GitHub pull request workflow. A popular way to create and reward to complete this tutorial, you need to GitHub.com account and internet access. You don't need to know how to code. Use the command line. Use the command line and instead get the version control software. Create a repository. So how to create a repository? I think so. Let's read something. So for creating a repository, in the upper right corner, next your avatar or ID icon, click the process and then select new repository. Name more repository hello world. Write a short description in initialize distribution with readme. Initialize. Then create a branch. Branching is the way to work on different version of your computer. I think okay. So just wait for some second. Let's read this. By default, your repository has one branch name master, which is considered as to be defined as branch. We use branch to experiment and make edit before committing to them to the master. So this is just for this is a branch where we can do experiment. When we create a branch of the master branch, we are making a copy. So our copy can be snapshot. So when we commit it, then the snapshot is been saved. I have just save you so that when we commit, so it has to render us. It has to render our data either. So if we need, then it gives our or it render our data. So if we need, it render the data, and the diagram shows the master branch or new branch called features will be because we are doing feature work on this branch. The journey that features text before it's merged into master, so we can every are now this new updated version so of this github.com. Every people are updated in the master branch. So we can see, I will show you master branch. So condense branch master, so we can change the branch also, but no, 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 this is best branch for us up to now. So we can change the branch. Okay, the journey that features text before it is merged into the master. Have you ever saved different version of file? Yes, I save. So branches accomplish similar code in GitHub repository. Here at GitHub, our developers, writers, and designers use branches for keeping bug fixes. And so, what is a bug? Bug means technical problems that arise. So, fixing it means it is saying that it fixes a technical problems. Bugs means fixing a type of technical problems. So, we can do literally I will say you about the box. So what is box? I am going to literally explain you. So first of all, I will say you about Dave's farm. So don't worry, I will say you about box. I will say you about box. So I am talking very fast because because time is going so many fast, and I have to complete so many codes. So I am going very fast. So I think you can understand what I am saying, but you can do in you can decrease your speed by going to setting bottom, and you can do in 0.5x, but don't do in 0.5x. You can do in normal condition. If you can understand in normal condition, you can go to little bit decrease the size, so you can do in 0.75x. It is good for you if you can understand my normal voice. But if you could understand my normal voice, then it is okay. But if you could not understand, then go to 0.75x. Or if you want to listen more faster, then you can go to 1.25x. But if you go to more than 1.25x, you will obviously not understand what I'm trying to say. It is my promise. So you must do 0.75x or normal, or 1.25x, because before that I guarantee you that you can understand what I am trying to say. So now, so our topic is now, so what is bug? So I am telling bug is a problem here. So this is a small meaning that you must know. So bug is a problem in this condition. Bug is problem. Only know that the bug is a problem in this condition, man. You don't need anything to know bug is a problem, or bug is a technical problems arise. So if you don't understand, then we can go search in Google also. So Google also says that meaning. So let's go to Google. uh, so Google, please say the meaning of box meaning, say Google. Thank you, Google. So Google is saying us bug is and bug is okay. So sorry, I think this is not a good way to of sourcing, because bug is harmful microorganism. No, sorry, box in the computer. So box in computer. Box Wikipedia computer. So it will understand what I'm trying to say. Rook software bug is an error. So I am just telling you that it is a problem, it is a error. So error or problem, there is same. I am trying to same. The thing that I say is that it is a problem. So computer program or system that causes it to produce. So deeply understanding a software bug is an error, fraud, or a fault in a computer program or system that causes it to produce an incorrect or unexpected result. Debugging we can see. So what is bug? Debugging means when the bug means coming a problem, error coming. But when we do decoding, so D means we do a decoding. So when we decoding the program, then debugging. So debugging means finding the correcting the mistake. But what about mistake? Mistake means bug. If we do something or mistake in coding, it means bug. But if if we want to make it correct, then we must not know how to debug it. So debugging and bug means they are different. So bug means mistakes and problems arrive while doing program, but debugging means decoding the coding which is wrong. We must decoding the coding, and we can get debug. So this is the debugging data. Difference between bug and debugging we can know now. So let's go to the table and hello world. So it is saying us create go to. So now let's run, make and commit changes. So open a pull request. So go to town merge a pull request. Now celebrate. By completing this tutorial, you have learned to create a project and make a pull request on GitHub. Here, what you accomplish in this tutorial: create an open source repository, start and manage the branch, change a file, and commit those changes to GitHub. Open and merge a pull request. So, it is just saying about pull request. So, check out other guys' YouTube channel on demand. So, let's open this guy YouTube channel. So, I want to look how his YouTube channel is in the process. So youtube.com/github guys, so we can get guys from GitHub guys. If you want to go, you can go directly from youtube.com/github guys, or you in my description box you can get what I will not give in description box because I am not promoting any type of content.
Okay, you signed up for GitHub.
Why I do
What do you do now?
this github.com.
You have a lot of options, and
So
that
this
can
is
be
I think this
overwhelming.
is the
GitHub
this
is a
person created
powerful
GitHub.
platform
So
for
thank
software
you,
development.
person. What is your
But
name? I don't
it's
know what.
hard.
Thanks
It's
for
about
doing this. So
empowering people like
now
you by
let's
helping
go to
you
the topic
learn
box.
new skills
Wikipedia
from other
computer
developers.
sources the web tables
Build
now
the
live
software
streaming.
that matters to you,
Okay.
and propel yourself to the next stage of your life as a
Sorry.
software developer.
So let's go to back now.
One of the best
So now
places
here
to
we
get
can see
started
subscribe and hit
is
the bell
GitHub
icon and
Explorer.
never miss update from
It's
technical
your
channel.
doorway
This
to
is my
developer
channel. So I'm just
communities
telling
on
this thing.
GitHub
Just
and
give a
to the
comment.
collective
Have
knowledge of
people interested in
contributors
this
all
clip
around
to
the
understand
world.
your project by adding a readme.
Collections are curated groups of content
So we can add a
related to
readme.
a particular field,
So
such as
all the
government,
people also
or
can understand.
dedicated to
So
solving a specific kind of
readme.md.
problem, such as
Okay.
data visualization. Collections
So
contain links to
now technical
repositories,
channel. Subscribe to hit the
organizations,
hit button.
users,
So
and resources to
subscribe
help you
our
jump in,
YouTube
make
channel.
connections, and learn about new things. If you are interested in how a
I
particular
must do
person
promotion
works,
of my
you can follow that
so
person,
sometimes.
and
So
you'll see updates in your dashboard
I will
feed
just
about their
update. I
activity
will commit.
on GitHub. Topics help you
So
find
how many times I
resources
commit?
that
I
are
don't want to.
relevant to particular concepts, languages, frameworks, or platforms.
Guys, I think I'm so
If you
guys
care
I
about a
am now
particular
I have
topic,
done one
this is your
idea. So
home base
in
to
my
stay up to date on
terminal
it.
in my so
You can learn
before
more about a
in my
topic with curated
so let's go to
material,
CMD.
see what projects are
So I
popular
will
among other
teach you in
developers,
command user
or even
interface.
get
So in
suggestions
command
for
user
other
interface,
related
my
topics
data
to
were not
explore.
coming. So I think why it is
If
not
you
coming.
find
So
a
I
project that you
found the
want to
solution.
remember,
So the
you can
solution
star
is
it.
that
Stars
just I will
are
do the solution.
kind of like
So go
bookmarks
to
for
get me
projects that you want to revisit.
.html.
If you
So
want to follow a particular project
okay.
closely, you can watch it to receive
But if they
notifications
subscribe
about
technical
all of the
channel,
activity and
please me
conversations happening
technical
within
channel.
it.
It's this
You can
technical
also
channel.
explore projects and
Yes, this
developers
is
that are
what.
currently
So I
trending
think name
across
I
all of
will
GitHub.
change the name.
This helps you stay up to date with popular
Technical
repositories and
channel.
learn about projects that are receiving a lot of attention
So
from the community.
technical channel.
Joining GitHub puts an entire
Technical
universe of
channel.
code,
So you can also go
conversations,
to
and resources
github.com
at
and
your
search me.
fingertips.
You
But
can find
ultimately,
technical
it's
channel. So this is
people
under
who
my
build
name.
software.
So
People
subscribe
like
and
you.
hit the bell icon and
Start
never miss
exploring
update from
today
the
and
channel.
take your first
So go and
steps.
subscribe it.
Find your community,
So
learn new skills,
now what
and
how I will
create the
I will
solutions for
commit.
the
So
things
in
that
this
matter to
condition
you.
when I commit
We're
I
excited
forget to
you're
do
here.
I forget to create a
This
new branch
is
for this
GitHub,
community instead of
where people build software,
so
how
I will
people
just
build
do
software together.
I will give my best name Dortmund Powder will be created as yes. So you can no. So technical channel is my best for me. Technical channel. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Propose file change. So create a new branch for so now let's try to do I think I want a URL. So what is the link? So please give me a link. Thanks a lot. Your support. Guys, then like this create a pull request. So when I create a pull request so that I can pull the request now, this is control plus C. This is my link. So this is Dortmund Powder technical Dortmund. Oh no, sorry, I have clicked Dortmund Powder. So now it will say about me, who is I am, my detailed information will come. So SDMR technical channel. So this little bit thing will arrive. So don't worry about this. The branch has no conflict. So manage pull request. So I need one link to put confirmers. So first of all, let's control plus C. Then like this, go to here. Netflix occurring. How Netflix occurring? I have not yet downloaded, but it is occurring. So let's watch movies in Netflix in some seconds. I will not show in YouTube, but I will watch. I am trying to say. Command prompt. Microsoft Edge, command prompt, Visual Studio Code, Bober with Tree Saga, iTunes. Uh, so I think rename rhythm.mg to technical channel has one. So I have the URL that is control plus C. Then now I will go to so I want this link. Set man. I am not doing weird, guys. Yes, you can see now I'm not doing weird. So I'm doing so great, guys. Sorry for this. You guys, I'm in a bit confused. I'm on confusing. I'm little bit confused in my own condition. So first of all, delete this now. Then now control save it. So enter it. Then what will come here? Okay, this is our channel. So control plus C. Compare and pull request. So no need to compare. So technical channel. So okay, CMD. Come on, user interface. Let's run now. Please. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Laptop, hello, hello, laptop. CMD. Press enter. Now what can we do is control plus B. Fast. Now after it comes down, we will do control plus B. We will do control plus B. After it arrives, we will do control plus B. Control plus B, and so I will back in some second. So control plus B. Control plus B. Control plus B.